can ignore.
Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing music or song using this AI tool. It's like suno.com, and I will create a wonderful song for USA election 2024. So without any time wastage, let's jump to video. Then you need to log in here with Gmail, then just click on create, then paste your prompt. Write a song about the USA election 2024. I support Trump. Just I click enter the create. Now this AI tool create two song, maybe it's for exclusively for me. If I play, and you can see this is a lake. This is the lyric.
Ride the wave to 24. Voices shout, can ignore. Make America proud once more. Stand tall, soar. Red, white.
If I skip and I'm going to second one,
Ride the wave to 24. Voices shout, can't ignore. Make America proud once more. Stand tall, let's soar. Red,
it's really nice. If you click on public, then this is automatically saved on suno.com. Then others user can access your song, but I'm not interested to public this setting. Then click on this setting button, just click on download, then click on audio, because I want to download only audio. Wow, it's already downloading right now. So this is a method how you can create a song using this AI tool, and I create amazing election song using this AI tool. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.